Welcome back. It's been a while. Wow, parang more than a year ago yata ako last na nag-vlog. I was just really busy. I have been doing other things. And also, I don't know if you noticed, we moved. Actually, 1 year na kami dito sa bago naming apartment. So, we moved from our previous one. Mga couple of blocks away. Anyway, so enough of me. So, the reason na nag-vlog ako dito kasi nga medyo mainit-init. Gusto lang nating makialam sa issue ng mga, alam mo na yung mga marites, mahilig tayo makichika. So, since they made it public, okay, so once you made something public, then you allow other people to also, air their opinion about mga bagay na pwede mo naman gawing private. Anyway, ito po ay tungkol sa issue nitong si Carlo Yulo, yung ato pong athlete. By the way, congratulations for getting 2 golds. That is really, congratulations. Parang like before, I remember yung mga Olympics before, it's like hindi ako masyado umaasa. Pero recently, ang ating mga athlete is starting to, improve. Siguro dahil mas marami ng funding, mas marami ng mga incentives. So they're really, congratulations to everyone sa lahat mo na nag-compete. And then, at sa mga in the future, keep on, I wish you the best. I wish na magkaroon pa kayo ng medals sa inyong mga competition. Anyway, so, pag-usapan po natin. So, paano ba to? So, I guess, hindi ko na kailangang i-recap sa inyo kung ano nga nangyari. So, ako, magbe-base lang dito sa hindi sa mga screenshot ng mga di umano'y sinabi ng nanay because hindi ko naman ma-verify ang veracity. Although si Jason sa nag-post ng isang delete na post daw ng mother, and I think na mukhang siya naman ay credible source at hindi naman siya magpo-post ng fake. But nonetheless, magbe-base tayo dun sa interview ng mother kasi yun, hindi niya pwedeng sabihin fake news at hindi tayo pwedeng i-demanda kasi magbigat yung kanyang lawyer si Fortune, di ba? So anyway, what's my thought about this? My thought about this is ang problema talaga dito yung mother. The mother really is the problem. Magko-comment tayo tungkol sa girl. Hindi ko rin masyadong gusto ang vibe ni girl. Parang siya meron siyang Lisa Marcos vibe. But then again, kasi dati hindi naman ako nagko-comment tungkol sa girl kasi naman nakikita ko lang siya sa picture and so of course I don't know her. But merong lumabas na video at siya ay kasama doon na parang tipong wow, I think it's just inappropriate that she's there. But we will set it aside. So yung mother, I think ang dapat mong ginawa is meron talagang nakikita ko na parang merong manipulative character yung mother, yung parang tipong anak kita at wala kang karapatan kung hindi dahil sa parang ganun. Although parang ganun yung dating sa akin dun sa base sa interview. As a matter of fact, ang dapat hindi mo ginagawa is sinisiraan mo yung sarili mong anak. That's the worst thing that you can do. Sinisiraan mo yung sarili mong anak na parang nagdadamot, ganyan. I think ang pinanggagalingan lang talaga ni Carlo is that give him the respect that he deserves kasi pera niya yon. Kasi sabi niya may mga dumating na mga incentive hindi na sinabi sa kanya, hindi siya aware. Tapos wala na. So I think ang miscommunication. I will give you a perfect example dito sa bahay ko. Kasi meron ako isang anak who is 19, almost 20, and he is a full-time student, nasa university siya, but he's working. He started working. Kasi syempre, hindi na ako nakakatanggap ng, pagdating nila ng 18, hindi na ako nakakatanggap ng, dito sa Canada, ang tawag ay CCTB or Canada Child Tax Benefit. So wala na ako noon, and then tumaas na yung aking tax. Kasi wala na akong dependent, di ba? So anyway, usapan namin, kasi dito pa siya nakatira, sabi ko, alam po, hindi mo na kailangan alam mo yun, humati sa rent, humati sa ganyan, sa utilities. Basta, alam mo yung pagkain na lang, ikaw na lang yung ikaw na lang yung mag-shoulder. Kasi total naman, lakas mo naman kumain. Payat, ang lakas kumain. Kasi kung pagkain din lang, hindi ganun kalaki yung groceries. So, okay naman siya, wala naman siyang problema. At yung kalahati ng sweldo niya yun. Kasi nga, part-time lang naman siya sa isang part-time, it's only part-time lang yung job niya, at saka minimum wage lang naman kasi nagsisimula pa siya, which is, regardless of what it is, it's a very huge help. So sinabi ko sa kanya na, basta, although may access pa rin naman ako sa kanyang checking account sabi ko sa kanya, basta pagka, kasi ako, mahilig ako mag-budget, dinodocument ko lahat kung magkano yung pumapasok, pagkano yung lumalabas, even the last cent. So sabi sa kanya, gagawin ko, na lang, pag I have the time at na-consolidate ko na lahat, sabihin ko na lang sa inyo kung magkano, and then, kukunin ko na lang sa bank account mo. And then, one time, sinabi ko na sa kanya in front, pero one time, pinuha ko siya, tapos hindi ko sinabi sa kanya. Tapos sabi niya, mother, sabihin mo, basta sa akin, sabihin mo lang pag kukuha ka ng pera sa bank account. I'm not saying don't, basta sabihin mo sa kanya. Sabihin ko daw sa kanya. So, ang una, ikaw, medyo maiinis ka na parang tipong, dati, anak kita kumakain ka dito. So, hindi ko na kailangang ipaalam sa'yo. But then again, I think, nang napag-isip-isip ko, tama yung ginawa niya. And that I should be happy kasi he's taking responsibilities dun sa kanyang naglalagay na siya ng alam mo yung ito na yung borderline, ito na yung pwede mong gawin, at he's being responsible sa kanyang finances kasi chine-check niya talaga yung kanyang statement, yung iaasa niya sa akin. Kasi kung ako mag-aasta akong mother, alam mo yun, yung parang Carmina Villarreal style. Na lahat papaalam sa akin. Hindi ko sila pine-prepare sa, sa adult life. Kasi ako, sabi ko sa kanya, hindi naman ako, I don't plan to live forever and I cannot guide him all the time. Kailangan marunong sila mag-decide, they know how to say no. Sa mga taong nasa paligid nila, even if it's a member of the family, they have to know how to take care of themselves. So anyway, yun, I think ang hinihingi lang naman ni Carlo is that yung respect. Parang wala naman siyang sinabi na wag mo kunin. Ang sinasabi niya is respect me kasi akin yan pera ko yan So itong mother, sabi wala daw kinukuha dun sa siguro portion. Ano ba talaga? May kinukuha mo ba o wala kang kinukuha? It's one or the other. You can't be both. So, tapos meron bang 76,000 na parang sa cash band daw. So, naloko naman ako. Parang tabi ko, ano ba yung cash band? So, I had to Google kasi nga, hindi ko maintindihan yung cash band. So, para pala siyang yung parang secured credit card. So, parang it's an assurance. Tapos, kuha ng credit card and assurance na you have the money. You have the money in the bank. Kasi in the normal credit card, wala ka na ipapakita. Basta, in-approve ka, tapos bayaran mo ganyan, magbayad, hindi mo bayaran, tapos may bayaran mo ng minimum, then, pag hindi mo na bayaran, magkakaroon ng interest. So, yun yung ko doon. Yun yung aking thought doon sa mali talaga yung mother. You should be respecting your son. Kasi, pera niya yon. Alam ko, minsan maisip natin, dati na natin ginagawa ito para sa kanila. Pero at the time that they turn 18, especially when they're already saying, okay, stop it. We need to give them the space that they need. We need to respect them as an individual, as a human being, as an adult. So, yun yung sinabi ko sa kanya. Yun sabi, cash, but sana man lang in-invest mo. Tapos mukhang yung there is a manipulation and brainwashing going on with the family. And what I'm trying to say here is that the father should step in. Mr. Yulo, Mr. you know, the father, you need to wear your dad hat in this particular situation. Busalan mo yung bibig ng asawa mo, because it's not helping the son, and it's not helping her either, kasi sinisiraan niya yung anak niya. Sinisiraan niya yung anak niya. As in, grabe. Don't stop it. Stop. Okay, now going back to the girlfriend. Mukhang doon sa sinabi naman nung mother is parang matagal na sila, 15 years old pa daw ata. So kung 24 na siya, so 9 years na sila. So it's a long-term relationship. Ako, hindi ko rin type yung vibe ni girl. Parang tipong, there's something off. But then again, hindi ko naman siya kilala personally. Pero nung naglabas na ngayon ng video, si Carlo Yulo, sana hindi mo na lang nilabas. But then again, andyan na yan. Andun si girl. Parang tipong, why? Anong role mo? Parang you're just, hindi ko alam kung intentional ba, or maybe just they're just too immature to realize na I should not be here, because it only cements the fact na yung girl mukhang manipulating also the guy. Diba? Parang diba kasi ako naranasan ko maging girlfriend, maging asawa, naranasan ko maging parent. So kung ako yung girlfriend, I will not stand between the mother and the husband. And as a matter of fact, kung magkakaroon man ng video si Carlo, I will say, I don't want to be there, because people might think that I'm manipulating you. The people might think that, yeah, I am the real cause of the this mess between you and between you and the mom. I don't want to paint that picture. Pero no, parang nang-aasar pa siya na parang tipong Mikey Pie wins. Yours can't compete with Mikey Pie. Okay? Stay in your lane. Parang gano'n na sinasabi. Girl, ano ba pangalan to? Chloe? It's very inappropriate. At you can't say na, lumaki kasi ako sa Australia. No, kahit saan ka man, kahit sa mga culture ka lumaki, there is still, the respect, common sense, na hindi mo, that you shouldn't be stand between, para kasi pinag-aaway mo pa sila eh. Yeah. Parang ang lumalabas, I don't know if that happens, parang lumalabas ito ay parang tipong, pagtanggol mo naman ako dyan sa nanay mo, ganyan, and I want to make it public, and parang tipong, yun, yeah, it's very, very inappropriate. So, in as much as I am on the side of, I'm not agreeing with the mother, I'm also not agreeing with Carlo here. Walang mananalo dito. Dapat pag-usapan nyo na lang. Ako kasi kung ako ay mother, ang mother, ako bilang mother, bilang isang ina, ang pwede kong sabihin dito is that, yung pag-inarte ng kanyang mother is not helping in the situation. Kasi ako, kung alam ko na ito yung girlfriend at ayoko dun sa girlfriend, I will not say anything. I will just be friendly. I will just actually be, ang gagawin ko is like, anak, pasensya ka na. Pasensya ka na ha, kasi hindi ko kasi na-realize na, mali yung ginawa ko, and I'm sorry. So, yeah, it's, let's just mend, whatever is broken, and, I will not do it again. I will let you decide. I will be extra kind. Siguro, mga twice, kung dati man ako, whatever kindness I am showing to the son, kung gusto ko makipag-compete doon sa girl, compete ha, which you shouldn't be really doing, then I will just leave him I will just leave him to Carlo, na hindi ako makikipag-away, I will not, wash dirty linens in public. Mas magiging, I will just be the mother that I will be. And then I will let the son, decide. And maybe, from that, ma-realize din niya na, mother ko din yun eh. So, kailangan natin magkasundo-sundo. Be the one who's the mending factor in this situation. Hindi yung ikaw pa yung nagsisimula. Kasi hindi talaga kayo magkakasundo dyan. Be the wiser. The mother should be the wiser person. The mother should be the one giving. The mother should be the one understanding that, you know what, these are young people. At saka, the son is obviously very much in love with the girl. Ano, makikipagkompetensya ka doon? No. Just be happy. And considering the fact na, after nilang naghiwalay nung kanyang Japanese coach, nakadalawa siyang goals. So, mukhang si Carlo ay na-manage naman niya yung kanyang schedule, yung kanyang hindi siya distracted dun sa whatever yung itong dahil sa si Chloe hindi nagiging distraction sa kanya. Baka naging inspiration pa niya. So, dapat magpasalamat din sa girl. Huwag siya makipag-away. At ikaw, girl, okay? I think, ito opinion ko lang. I think you really should stay in your lane in this situation. Hindi ka niya asawa. Girlfriend ka lang. And I know you've been together for a long time, but you're just the girlfriend at this time. And even if you became married, hindi kailangan, alam mo yung pinaghahati mo silang mag-ina. Dapat you stay away. Pwede mo siyang kausapin na, baka itong, pwede mo mag-decide, baka ito ang pwede mong gawin, Carlo, para magkasundo kayo ng nanay nyo. And if you want to keep yung control ng mother, you can do that. Na parang tipo, okay, this is the only thing that you can do, mom. We love you. I love you. Pero ito lang hanggang dito ka lang. Sorry, you have to leave us. You have to leave us the decision. You have to leave the decision to us on to your son. Pagdating sa yung finances, hindi ka pwedeng makialam. Ganun. Kaya kung siya ay magalit, hindi mo nakasalanan. Pero parang taunting or parang maahasar ka pa, hindi talaga kayo makakasundo. So yun lang yung aking yun lang ang aking 2 cents. Na mukhang naging humaba na naman. And okay, and thank you for watching, and I will see you again pag nagkaroon ako ng chance. It's almost 7 and mag-start na naman ako ng work. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.